Hi guys. Today, if you look at both Nifty and Bank Nifty, had seen a very strong up move as Bank Nifty is near all-time high, but Nifty itself is nearly 1,000 points away from all-time high. In this context, let's understand Nifty and Bank Nifty, what we should be expecting for Monday using market profile and order flow. Now, let's look at what Nifty is telling us using market profile. So, how you could have traded today even in the Nifty, if you look at the opening is inside the value area, which means basically there is a good possibility the locals have opened the market, but then we need to see if at all there is going to be any kind of initiative buyers or sellers trying to take control. So what happened with the open test drive, initiative traders, initiative buyers especially, they have taken control, and straight away the prices went for the single print all the way around the 25,020 levels, which I have updated clearly in the Telegram group. So at the same time, there is a clear acceptance, guys, in this value area from 12th June. You will see prices covering the entire value area. That is what happening. Now, at the same time, volume confirmation is very much necessary. It's not just the acceptance. If you look at from the morning itself, the delta itself was continuously increasing from the morning itself. Morning at 9:15 it was 2.3k, and then later it was 6.3k, and then we have another 6.5k added in the third 30 minutes. And before we continue further into our analysis, guys, take a moment to explore our homepage for advanced trading strategies, and make sure you are subscribed with the notifications on. The overall cumulative delta itself is 13,000, which is pretty good. But then why the prices are spending around this? It's a order block area on 12th. This is where a strong down move has happened because of this order block area. So there was a sideway market, but at the same time there is weakness in today's profile itself. So one thing is these blue bands represents the imbalance areas. So once the buying momentum is lost in the market, the prices will try to test these imbalances areas. And at the same time, look at this, guys, weakness in Nifty. There is a possibility it also has to come down to these levels. So if you look at the total delta is somewhere around 15,000 aggressive buyers are there. So if these buyers want to take profit, think about it. There was a consolidation here. So if these people want to take profit, at least it has to hold around these levels for maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour, like that, above these levels. For further any kind of moves, guys, I think you need to watch for this high. So any sustaining about 25,000, 310 to 320 levels for 30 minutes or 1 hour. Nifty might go for testing the all-time high. So that is what we can expect on in Nifty futures. And with Bank Nifty, I think Bank Nifty also have got accepted inside 12th June value area. So there is a good possibility on Monday we might see 56,600 levels. But at the same time, let me also caution you guys, there is a blue band. At the same time, let me also remind you, if you look at in order flow, there is good weakness around this area. If at all prices gets accepted inside today's value area, good possibility prices will come down to this point, and it might even cover the gap that has been created in the morning first 30 minutes itself. Saying that, let me also tell you, Bank Nifty itself is in within 12th June value area. So there is a good possibility it will go for this, and there is the buyers have taken control around 6th June, taking the Bank Nifty towards 57,165 levels. If at all prices sustains above today's value area, then we might see within 2 or 3 days max 57,200, and all-time high is very much possible in the next week itself. If you are looking for advanced strategies, go through my homepage, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.